Do you know many people are having trouble with removing their Frigidaire FPRU19F8WF from demo mode? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Press and hold. Simultaneously press and hold the button and the TEMP F/C button for 5 seconds. Step 2. Show all icons. The appliance control display will show all the icons depending on your model. Step 3. Disable buttons. Exiting demo mode will disable all buttons and mute all sounds, except for the HIGH EMP alert. Step 4. Activate alarm. The HIGH EMP alarm activates if the cabinet temperature is unsafe for over 20 minutes. Step 5. Silence alarm. The alarm silences after 10 minutes, but the HIGH EMP icon remains lit until demo mode exits. Step 6. Exit demo mode. Once you've completed these steps, your refrigerator will function normally without demo mode restrictions. By following these steps, your refrigerator should now be out of demo mode and functioning normally. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Frigidaire users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.